Moise was drowning in bills, overdue payments, and rent. Every night he sat alone, staring at numbers he couldn't control. Each notification only added to his stress.
He felt broken and hopeless.
Felt helpless, exhausted, and hopeless. Even small tasks felt impossible. Sleep brought no relief from the burden in his heart. Ever again.
Evening, a friend visited Moise. Seeing his pain, he softly said,
Brother,
"When the world closes doors, turn to the one who never closes his."
start reciting Astaghfirullah daily. Where there is Istighfar, Allah's mercy flows and the impossible becomes possible. Moise felt a spark of hope.
Night he whispered, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Not once, not twice, but 100 times, with sincerity, and he continued every morning and night.
Gradually, the darkness in his heart began to fade. Calmness and peace replaced his fear. His nights and mornings felt lighter than before.
Small blessings started appearing unexpectedly. Messages, payments, and tiny miracles. His heart felt lighter, hope returning slowly.
It's been tasks that once felt impossible became manageable. Opportunities he hadn't imagined started coming his way. His patience and daily istighfar were making a difference.
1 week later, a big opportunity arrived. Tears filled his eyes. Allah had opened doors where none seemed possible. I
realized that turning sincerely to Allah changes everything. Hardships became ease, worries turned into hope. His faith and istighfar had worked wonders.
Astaghfirullah doesn't just erase sins, it removes worries, brings peace, and opens doors of rizq. Moise finally understood its power.
If you ever feel lost, whisper Astaghfirullah. Where there is istighfar, there is hope, mercy, and relief. Even the heaviest burdens can be lifted.
If his journey shows that patience, faith, and daily remembrance of Allah can truly change a life. Astaghfirullah opens doors when all seems closed.
Remember, where there is istighfar, there is hope, mercy, and blessings. Keep your heart close to Allah and watch miracles unfold.